afternoon, y'all. It's a beautiful day here in San Antonio, Texas, and we're back at you with another video. I'm Kristina Zachary with the Zachary team, San Antonio's realtor couple here in San Antonio, Texas, and today we are here at Goosehead Insurance at the Phil Delgado agency. Today we will be interviewing him. We'll be asking him some interesting questions about homeowners insurance. You don't want to miss it. It's very informative. He's great, local to San Antonio, so keep watching. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to our channel, hit that bell notification button because we love support, and comment on any video below. You know, just kind of bump up our YouTube algorithms. We need more subscribers. We need people like you following us and all that jazz. We make tons of cool content. We do vlogs, we do new home builds, we do zip code series, luxury listings. So if you are an agent who needs help selling your house that's a luxury listing, give us a call at 210-504-5301. Those videos get about 4,000 views a month, and since our subscribers are going up, those views will go up. So we're here to be helpful, we're here to be resourceful. Contact us today. Let's bring Phil in to finish this video. Like I mentioned earlier, we're here with Phil Delgado with Goosehead Insurance, the Phil Delgado agency, and it's super cool because he has the he's in the top 10 Goosehead agencies all across the country. I think that's so amazing, but I'm not here to boast about him. Let him boast about himself. Phil Delgado, everybody! Yay!
What's going on? How are y'all guys doing? So stoked to be here with the Zachary team. I'm excited that they asked me to come on and share some information about insurance. She's right, we are one of the top 10 Goosehead insurance agencies in America. Calm down, all that means is that we work harder and we serve with more passion than our competitors. So we can help folks from the Red River to the Rio Grande, El Paso to Beaumont, anywhere in Texas. We're here to help serve. Responsive, responsible, and professional is our brand of insurance. How's that sound?
It sounds perfect, but what's even more perfect is Gabriel and I, our wife and husband team, and you and Jessica work together, right, as well?
Absolutely. My wife Jessica and I work hand in hand. So we're the Phil Delgado agency. Jessica handles the sales side, sales team, and I handle the business strategy, the marketing, but together we've built one of the top 10 Goosehead agencies in America. So we're super blessed. We work with some of the best mortgage lenders and realtors across the country. And of course, and we're here in the San Antonio area and the San Antonio market, but we can help y'all guys and y'all can help clients across the state. So glad you asked me what the difference is between independent agent, specifically the Phil Delgado agency, and State Farm or USAA. And the difference is our principles, our values. Number one, we absolutely and actually care about our clients. Not that these other companies don't, but when you provide a high level of care and the tools and resources as a broker, we're able to do things that other insurance agents can't. So long story short, our clients mean the world to us. Do we have the tools necessary to take care of them? Well, as a broker, we have over 30 A-rated carriers in our portfolio. So when you combine this genuine interest in our clients' care, and you provide them the most resources, the most carriers that we are able to shop around through, different coverages, different price points, we're able to provide the strongest coverage at the lowest price. We don't have to sacrifice one to achieve the other. That's the biggest difference. We care more than our competitors, we have more resources than our competitors, and we work harder than our competitors.
I love it. I love that. Just for better. What other types of insurances do you guys have or are connected with?
Sure. So most folks who are buying a home also have what? They have automobiles. Mm-hmm. So we're able to also shop the market for auto insurance. When we combine and bundle a home policy with an auto policy, we're able to offer the lowest price on the home insurance. It's not uncommon for us to save our clients enough money on the auto insurance to pay for half of the homeowner's insurance policy. So a tremendous value to talking to an insurance agent who's going to uncover all your needs. Mm-hmm. And quite honestly, we start every conversation by asking the client, what's most important to you when it comes to your insurance program?
Right.
And so we're always amazed at how much people like to talk. Well, until we can find out what's important to our clients, we can't provide our best level of service. So it's not uncommon for our clients to do most of the talking, and then we get to work and satisfy those needs, and that's another example of the difference.
Nice. And in regards to the difference in satisfying their needs, can you talk about the Clue Report a little bit?
The Clue Report, awesome. So a Clue Report is a report generated during the quoting process when someone's buying a house or they're shopping for insurance on an existing home. So there's different factors that determine the cost of home insurance, and I'll just share a couple of those. One of them, and the most heavily weighted, is credit rating of the buyer. So that's very important for us to know. Credit drives pricing in insurance and other markets. Another factor is going to be discounts. So education and occupation can give us some discounts. Age of home can give us some discounts. Age of roof is going to give us some discounts. One of the biggest discounts is a package auto discount. So a lot of companies are going to offer a lower price on the home insurance if you're willing to pair it with an auto policy. As brokers, the beautiful thing is we're able to mix and match. We can provide the home insurance with one company or carrier and the auto insurance with a completely different carrier. And because we're brokers, we'll still provide a package discount and be able to offer the lowest price on the home insurance. So we can mix and match, another benefit of the difference.
He sounds so competitive in today's market. Love it. Hit that like button. And what are some common pitfalls that you find during kind of like this transaction, whether it's just in general or if they're dealing with somebody else and then they come to you because they were frustrated with maybe a bigger company? What are some common pitfalls that you find?
Watch those pitfalls. Here's the number one pitfall in the home buying process when it comes to home insurance. Not talking to an insurance agent before buying your home insurance policy. You say, what do you mean, Phil? Why would I not talk to a home insurance agent? Never buy home insurance without talking to a licensed insurance agent. If someone asks you if they'd like for them to shop for insurance for you, a simple response would be hell no. Because it's impossible for me to find out your unique needs and risks. High value jewelry, art, collectible. Maybe your pet is on the dangerous breed list for some carriers. And a German Shepherd, one of the best dogs around, some carriers are going to consider it a vicious breed. So what happens is if we place you with a carrier that where a German Shepherd is an ineligible risk, well then what's going to happen is your policy is going to be canceled in 30 days. And no one wants to get a housewarming gift of a cancellation letter in the mail. Yeah, so at the end of the day, in order for us to do our best work and provide you with the strongest coverage at the lowest price, we need to talk to you, find out what's important to you, and uncover all available discounts.
Exactly. Local and personalized is best. So last question, what are the top 2 questions that you hear during the home insurance part of the transaction?
Great question. So people want to know about deductibles. What kind of deductibles do you offer? So a deductible is an insured's responsible portion of a covered loss. So hailstorm blows through, the hail damages your roof, insurance adjuster comes out and says you need a new roof, it's going to cost $15,000. Well, the client or homeowner's responsible portion of that is their deductible. A typical deductible is 1%. 1% of what? 1% of the insured value of the home. So 1% deductible on a $350,000 house would be $3,500. So on a $15,000 roof replacement, the insurance company is going to pay out $15,000 minus a $3,500 deductible. Talk about pitfalls. Pitfall number 2, not checking your deductibles. In this market, insurance is sold and advertised in terms of price. So how is an insurance agent going to offer the lowest price? They're going to jack up your deductibles. A 1% deductible on a $350,000 house is $3,500. A 2% deductible is $7,000. Ouch. So be sure that you have 1% deductibles or lower. At the Phil Delgado agency, we like to offer $1,000 deductibles for wind and hail. Okay. Question number 2, what about water coverage? Is flood included? Well, flood is a separate policy. Okay. A homeowner's policy includes water coverage, water damage that originates from inside the house. A flood insurance or a flood occurrence is water that enters the house from the outside, rising water through the thresholds or through the windowsills, and that's always going to be a separate policy.
I think everybody's worried about hail season coming up. So I think a lot of new homes as well are getting metal roofs. So kind of you mentioned something like that in the training, and I want you to just kind of clarify it right now.
Boy, I got a pocket full of pitfalls to uncover here for you guys. Metal roofs.
Just have like a pitfall video.
Well, this is why it's so important to connect with a trusted insurance agent, and it's so important for a top realtor to take the opportunity to connect their clients, because the worst thing you can do is work day and night to find a client a home. Put an offer after offer after offer. We finally found that dream home, and someone else recommends an insurance agent who provides a terrible insurance policy, and it has a $30,000 metal roof on this house, $50,000 metal roof. Hailstorm blows through, we've got dents all throughout that roof. But because the roof is not leaking, it's considered cosmetic non-structural damage. 50% of the insurance carriers in the marketplace are going to exclude or limit cosmetic hail damage on metal roofs. It means that you're going to end up with a roof that you have to pull into your driveway every day and get that feeling in your belly, and you're going to be cursing your mortgage lender who did the shopping for you, or you're going to be cursing your insurance agent who you find out didn't place you in good hands. Well, you don't want to be in good hands, you want to be in the best hands, the Phil Delgado agency. So if you have a metal roof, we're going to make sure that cosmetic damage is not limited and is not excluded. So check your insurance policy. Here's another pitfall relating to roofs and hail season. When we're buying a home and selling a home, the mortgage lender is going to ask for a replacement cost policy. Several big name companies that I'm even an agent with, Liberty Mutual, big name companies are selling a replacement cost policy on the home, but they're endorsing it. They're adding a line of coverage that is going to cover the roof at actual cash value or depreciated value, and it's called a roof schedule. Look at your insurance policy. If you see roof schedule on there, you need to call the Phil Delgado agency ASAP at 210-899-3800. Because what you want to do is you want to get an insurance policy that's not going to limit the coverage on your roof. So just because you have a replacement cost policy, just because you have a logo on your insurance policy and you see commercials on TV, does not mean that you're covered properly. So watch out for those actual cash value roof coverages. Make sure it doesn't say roof schedule. Make sure it doesn't say non-structural hail damage or limitations. And here's another thing, guys. As friends of y'all's, we're always available to take a look at your homeowner's insurance policy. Go ahead and email your deck page to phil.delgado@goosehead.com. We'll review your coverages for you. If you're good, we'll tell you. If we think we can help you, well, then we'll reach out, introduce ourselves, and save you $500 to $1,000 on your insurance with better coverage. Do it every day, guys. We do it every day and night, 24/7. Let's go.
I don't know about y'all, but I'm sold, and he is absolutely the best of the best. You guys can trust him. Is there anything else you want to say before we go?
Let's get some shit done.
Yes! Oh my gosh, I love your energy. Woo! Lastly, I'm Kristina Zachary with the Zachary team, and Gabriel wants me to start saying it all the time, so I'm just gonna get used to it. We're San Antonio's realtor couple. We do all things real estate related, so if you're looking at buying, selling, or investing, you know how to reach us. 210-504-5301. Call it or text it. It reaches both of us. We are on Instagram, YouTube, so subscribe, and we're also on Facebook, and we're on TikTok. We create cool content. You don't want to miss it. Phil Delgado, everybody. Kristina Zachary, everybody. Gabriel's behind the camera. Everybody say hi to Gabriel. I didn't say that in the beginning of the video like I usually do, so thank you for watching. We will see you on the next one.